Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. Have you seen skit or dramas? Yeah, skit or dramas are performed by more than a person, right? There you find conversation between them. So today we are going to learn a beautiful story. Yeah, there you find conversation like in drama. Alright. So to learn this story, all of you take out your English textbook, Term 2B and turn to page number 5. Page number 5. So the name of the lesson is Mr. Lion and the Special Soup. Mr. Lion and the Special Soup. So the scene occurs in a restaurant, that is in the forest. So you know restaurant, right? Restaurant is the place where people sit together and eat meals. So you must have gone to a restaurant many a times with the family. So the scene occurs here in the restaurant, that is in the forest. So a pretty little restaurant in the forest. So the owners of the restaurant are Brer Fox and Brer Possum. You might be thinking, what is this? Brer, right? Brer is the informal title used before man's name. Like we use formally Mr., Mrs. and all. Right. So the owners of the restaurant are Brer Fox and Brer Possum. Okay. Have you ever heard of possum? Look at the picture. Possum is a cat-like animal. So now let's see the scene. A pretty little restaurant in the forest. Brer Fox and Brer Possum, the owners, are arguing with Brer Rabbit. So the scene starts with the argument. The owners of the restaurant, Brer Possum and Brer Fox, are arguing with Brer Rabbit. Now let's see what is the reason why they are arguing each other. Brer Fox, severely. For the last time, Brer Rabbit, you cannot have any free soup. Brer Rabbit, ow, but I am hungry. I have no money at all. Brer Fox, it is your own fault for being so naughty. Now Brer Possum, trying to be nice. See Brer Rabbit, we cannot give you any more free soup. After drinking 3 bowls of soup, you tell us you do not have any money. Okay, now we understood why they are arguing each other, right? See, after having 3 bowls of soup, Brer Rabbit is saying no money to pay. So it's a common thing, any of the owner. The owner obviously get angry, right? So when we go to restaurant, we pay the money. So after having the food, if you do not pay the money, the owner surely get angry, right? So the same way, the owners also got angry and they were saying that no more soup. See now the next page. Brer Rabbit, please Brer Possum, you cannot let me stay hungry. I'll wash your dishes to pay for my soup. Brer Fox, no. Brer Possum, not at all. See now Brer Rabbit said, see I have no money and I know that I have no money. I'll wash the dishes. Instead of paying the money, I'll wash the dishes. Will you please give me soup? So Brer Fox said, no. Huh? Brer Possum also said, not at all. Now Brer Fox, whenever you come, you break our plates and glasses. Now complaining also, whenever the rabbit come to the restaurant, he always breaks the plates and glasses. Okay, now what's the scene now? They tried to push Brer Rabbit out of the restaurant and get him almost to the door. When suddenly they fall back and let him go. See now the owners, Brer Possum and Brer Fox, are trying to push him out of the restaurant. They almost reached the door, but they fell back. So meanwhile, Mr. Lion is entering the restaurant in his slow and grand manner. See now just imagine the owners are trying to push the rabbit out of the restaurant, and the same time Mr. Lion is entering the restaurant with a grand manner. You know, Lion is the king in the jungle, right? So with a grand manner, Mr. Lion is entering the restaurant. Now Brer Fox, welcome sir, welcome. Come this way please. See, when we go to restaurant, the people who are serving there will be so polite to us, right? So the same way, Brer Fox welcomed the Mr. Lion very politely and warmly. Brer Possum tries to runs to place a chair at the best table at the same time. So while Brer Fox is welcoming Lion into the restaurant, what did the Brother Possum do? Brother Possum, after bowing, he ran to the best place to place the chair for the lion. Brother Possum, yes sir, yes, please come this way. Here, this is our best table next to the window. It has the best view. Okay, now the best table has chosen for the lion. Okay, so Mr. Lion sits himself at the table and looks at the menu. Now Mr. Lion sat and looking at the menu. So in the restaurant and all, menu is kept and we can choose the food item that we want. Okay, now Lion is looking at the menu. Mr. Lion, quiet please, I am looking at the menu. Okay, now the Lion said, quiet, I am looking at the menu. Slowly and grandly. Okay, now the scene. Brother Fox and Brother Possum fall silent. They do not notice Brother Rabbit slipping quietly between the window and Mr. Lion. Okay, now, when the Lion said to be silent, they both fell silent. And they did not notice the rabbit is still there and he just slipped quietly between the window and Mr. Lion. Mr. Lion, I will have, let me see, I'll have some of your special soup. Okay, now what did the Lion choose to eat? Special soup. Brother Fox, excellent choice, sir. He clapped happily. Okay, now Brother Possum, excellent, sir. If I may say so, our special soup is very special. See, happily. He said it happily, right? But now Brother Possum hurries to the kitchen. So after saying this, Brother Possum went to the kitchen to bring the special soup. Now Brother Fox, ask Brother Rabbit, he simply loves our soup. So Brother Fox said, you ask Rabbit, he loves our special soup. See, very softly he said it. See the scene now? Brother Possum hurries in with a large bowl of special soup, which he places on the table before Mr. Lion. He is still reading the menu. Brother Fox and Brother Possum go back to the door and watch Mr. Lion to see how he likes the soup. Brother Rabbit quietly slips the soup spoon from the table into his pocket. He then goes out from the window, peeping in but ready to run if needed. See now what happened? After serving the soup to the lion, they both are looking at the lion. See whether he loves a special soup or not. So the same day, what did the rabbit do? Rabbit took the soup spoon and put it in the pocket. Then he slowly goes out from the window and peeping in but ready to run if needed. See the picture? He took the spoon and it is in his pocket, right? He is at the window peeping, looking inside, right? And he is ready to run also. He knows what he did is wrong. Okay, now Mr. Lion. Looks good. Put down the menu and looks at the soup. Okay, the lion was still reading the menu, right? So after some time, he put the menu down and looked at the soup. And the lion said, looks good. Brother Fox, oh yes, it is. Mr. Lion, but I cannot eat this soup. Frowning. Frowning means, see, making the eyebrow like this. Frowning. Mr. Lion, but I cannot eat this soup. Brother Fox, is it too hot? See, Brother Fox, scared. Too scared. What happened? It's too hot? Mr. Lion, no. Brother Fox, is there a hair in it? So Brother Fox asked, is there hair in it? So Brother Fox asked, is it hair there? Looking at the possum. Possum is trembling now, shivering with the scared. Mr. Lion, no. Brother Possum, is it the table too low? Mr. Lion, no. Angrily. See now the lion is angry. Brother Fox, does it not smell right? Mr. Lion, it smells fine. Rose. See, the lion is angry now. But I cannot eat this soup. Brother Fox and Brother Possum are shaking in their shoes and holding each other for support. So they almost fell. They both were very scared. They are trembling. They are shivering because the lion is angry. So they don't know the reason. The soup looks good, but he does not want to eat. He was telling he cannot eat. Brother Fox, but sir, what's wrong with the soup? Mr. Lion, there is nothing wrong with the soup. I just cannot eat it. Okay, the lion said, see, there is no wrong in the soup, but I cannot eat this. See the next page. Brother Possum, why sir? What have you done? Almost in tears. See, Brother Possum is almost in tears. Brother Possum became so sad also. They were scared at first and they became so sad now. He almost in tears. And he asked, what have you done? Mr. Lion, nothing. Brother Fox, so sir, why will you not eat our special soup? Why are you not eating then? Pleading. Mr. Lion forgets his slow and grand manner and thumps the table. The lion is very angry. He thumps the table. So now Mr. Lion, because I have not got a spoon. That's the reason. The lion said the reason at last. Because no spoon. Without spoon, how we can have the soup? See the scene? Brother Fox and Brother Possum almost fall down with relief. So now they are relieved. Brother Possum rushes to bring another spoon. Brother Rabbit quietly disappears from the window. We know where the spoon is, right? The spoon is in the Brother Rabbit pocket. Right. See now after this Mr. Rabbit quietly disappears from the window and the Possum and Fox rushes to the kitchen to take the other spoon. Okay. So that's all the story is. Mr. Lion and the special soup. Okay. So did you all love the story? So the whole scene is occurred in a restaurant, that is in the forest, right? So the owners are Brother Fox and Brother Possum, and they are arguing with Brother Rabbit for not paying the money, right? So meanwhile the Mr. Lion endured and they are serving the special soup to the lion, right? Because of no spoon, he was unable to eat the soup, and we know the spoon is with whom, right? The spoon is with Rabbit. Okay, that's all the story is. I hope you love the story. Okay, the activity for you is read the whole lesson 3 times. Alright? Okay, so read well. Happy learning, children. Thank you.